Simon.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Good.
Good. When it comes to Hegman testing, what is the most common pain points you see plaguing QC departments?
The biggest issue we tend to see is operator variation for manual use. Anybody who uses a Hegman gauge understands that operators aren't consistent and operator to operators are very inconsistent. We tend to see that most companies will be overprocessing products as a safety margin because of the variation.
Why do consistent readings matter so much?
Because if you can remove variation, you can reduce the error, which then gives you a more consistent product and a product that isn't overprocessed. If you overprocess any products, that's a waste of time and money that the company could be saving.
If it's so critical, why is it so common?
It's the limitations of operators. We perform a test to look at aligning TIDAS, and we can see the variation within those operators, and it's always more significant than the QC managers would believe. One of the issues you have is the ISO and the ASTM standards themselves. When you look at these were designed many years ago around manual use and manual limitations. TIDAS exceeds them so that we can actually remove all of that error.
Great, thanks Simon.
Okay, thank you.
See you later.